Hello, I'm Mr. Jensen and I teach art and innovation. My classes this semester are innovation, where the idea is to teach children different ways to approach a problem. Most of the time in school, we think about exclusive thinking, where we teach you how to go in and eliminate answers to find one right answer. Where in innovation, we kind of flip that on its head, and our approach is to try to come in and find as many potential answers as we can before we determine the best one for the situation. We're going to kind of approach it three different ways. We'll learn a little bit about how to think like an innovator. We're going to approach the design portion of innovation. And finally, we'll do some builds to help apply everything. My art class this semester is art history. And what we do is we learn a little bit about art, we learn a little bit about history, and we try to make the connection that art is always going to reflect the culture that created it. And of course, that we can learn a lot about the culture that created it by examining the art. We try to do this in a hands-on approach where we ourselves will go in and use techniques from certain time periods to create individual art. Both of my classes tend to be pretty fun. They both tend to be very hands-on. And I hope there won't be too many problems. If there are, however, you can certainly get a hold of me in a couple of ways. One, there's the phone extension, which is included at the bottom of the slide where this link came from. There's also my email. And finally, you can get a hold of me through Schoology. I hope everything turns out wonderfully and your students enjoy my class. If you need anything, please let me know. Thanks a lot and bye.